and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making this delicious pumpkin spice latte. It's the perfect warm and comforting drink for the fall-winter season. So before we begin, if you're new here, welcome, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. So moving on to the recipe. Here I've taken 1 cup of milk. Keep it on a medium heat, and to that I'm adding 1 tablespoonful of organic pumpkin puree. You can use fresh pumpkin puree too. Next I'm adding 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. You can add honey or maple syrup depending on what you prefer. Whisk it around a little bit and keep it on a medium heat. Now to prepare the pumpkin spice mix, I've taken 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1/4 teaspoon of clove powder, half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder, and 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Mix it well, and you can store the mixture in an airtight container for a long time. Now we need only just a little bit of this mixture. So here I'm taking 1 teaspoon of the pumpkin spice mix that we have prepared, and I'm adding it to the milk. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Once the milk starts to boil, add 1/4 cup of coffee. You can use espresso or any other strong coffee which you like, but make sure the coffee is strong. Mix it well and turn off the heat, and now you can sieve it. You can have this drink warm or cold. I like to add a little bit of whipped cream on top. And you can sprinkle some cinnamon powder or cocoa powder or even some of the pumpkin spice mix like I'm doing here on top. So I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. Do check out my other videos, and thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, bye bye.